Hey everyone, got my hands on this Crenova A4 Laminator, and I've been putting it through its paces. First impressions? It's surprisingly compact. Like seriously mini. They weren't kidding about the portability. It's small enough to tuck away in a drawer or take with you if you need to laminate on the go, which is a huge plus for me. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mini size, mini features? Not necessarily. This little guy can handle A4 size documents, which is perfect for most of my needs. Worksheets, certificates, you name it. It even comes with a paper cutter and corner rounder. Talk about a multitasking marvel. I've been using it to laminate some artwork my kids made, and it's been a lifesaver. Keeps those precious masterpieces safe from spills and sticky fingers. The Crenova boasts a fast warm-up time, and I can confirm it heats up super quick. Like under 2 minutes quick. No more waiting around forever for the laminator to get ready. It has both hot and cold settings, which is handy for different types of documents and photos. I've used both, and they both work great. The hot setting is obviously for standard laminating pouches, and the cold setting is perfect for those more delicate items or if you're using self-adhesive pouches. One thing I was a little worried about with a smaller laminator was jamming. Nobody wants to deal with that headache, but so far, so good. I haven't had any issues, and they even include a jam release lever just in case. It's super easy to use, just one button for operation. You literally just flip the switch to hot or cold, and it does its thing. Super straightforward, even for a tech-challenged person like me. The lamination quality is pretty impressive too. Nice and clear, no bubbles or wrinkles that I've noticed. It really does make colors pop, which is great for photos and artwork. I laminated a few old family photos, and they look fantastic. Almost like new. Now, I did notice a slight smell when I first used it, kind of like a new appliance smell. The instructions mention this is normal, and it went away pretty quickly, so no big deal. Overall, I'm really happy with this Crenova A4 Laminator. It's compact, easy to use, and does a great job. If you're looking for a portable, affordable laminator for home, school, or even a small office, I definitely recommend checking this one out. It's a little workhorse. It's definitely earned a permanent spot on my desk.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.